When a new row is inserted into a table in a relational database, you often need to know the value of the ID column for the new row so that it can be used in another table or for interactive forms or other purposes. MySQL provides a function called lastInsertID that provides the most recently generated value of an auto-increment column. For example, here in this insert album SQL function, you notice we have this simple query, insert into the album. The question marks are for the parameters, and those parameters are filled in here in the execute call with title, artist, label, and released. And then down here, there's a call to last insert ID. It has a slightly different form for the Postgres database, but it gets the last inserted ID. It'll get the ID of this column after it's been inserted into the database, and that's returned. It's eventually used in this album edit function up here, which gets past that ID for building the album edit form. And so if I come out here to the application and I insert a new album, Foo Bar Baz 1 January 2014, and press add album, you'll notice that here is this form, and it is pulled up this new inserted record and populated the form. And you'll notice that happens here with this fetch album ID call. And then we can add tracks and we can edit it, change it around and what have you. And then I can come back here and I can delete it if I want to. And this all happens because I'm able to keep track of that ID when I insert that new record in the database. So MySQL's last insert ID function provides the value of the most recently generated auto increment column. This is very useful and often necessary for creating relational database applications.